Grabe. Nakabangking pa.
My fellow citizens, we stand with Senator Bato de la Rosa. Senator Bato is a respected figure within the PNP and a vocal anti-drug, anti-corruption, and anti-crime advocate who stands for the Filipino people. Yet instead of applauding his heroism, he's instead persecuted for standing against the current administration. Totalitarian regimes thrive with the complacency of the populace. They imprison critics like former President Duterte, and one by one, they eliminate all dissenting voices until they gain full control over our nation, our people, and our resources. But we will not allow that. We shall stand with Senator Bato. We shall stand with President Duterte. Our nation is now the most corrupt nation. Our Congress steals while our people starve and drown. Our citizens become poorer while our politicians thrive. And not a single corrupt politician has been held accountable by our failed justice system. Our nation will have no future if things continue like this, which is why we must fight. Because complacency